Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Pluto TV. So let's go ahead and get started right away. Launch open a web browser of your choice. Once you're inside your web browser, go to the URL box and type in pluto.tv and search. Doing this will take you to the official site for Pluto TV. Pluto TV is a free, ad-supported streaming service that offers a variety of TV shows, movies, news, sports, and more. To sign up for Pluto TV, go ahead and mouse over to the human icon at the top right-hand corner and click on Sign Up. Fill in your email address in the first text box and then on the next field, create a new password for your Pluto TV account. After creating a password, fill in your first name on the next field. Now, write Wednesday's date of birth into your date of birth in the month, date, and year format. On the next field, click the drop down and select your gender. And finally click Sign Up. Once you are done, you'll be taken to the first homepage of Pluto TV, which means you have successfully created a new account. So that is how you can easily create or sign up for a new account on Pluto TV. Once you are registered, you can now start watching Pluto TV on your website, or you can also download the Pluto TV application on various devices like smartphones, tablets, smart TVs, or streaming devices. So that's how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.